maganda tayong lahat. It's me at Tumimera. Another day in Pineda de Mar, Spain, Costa Brava. Dahil is a market day today, susugod tayo sa market na walang kaalam-alam at kakalibo-kibo. This is the market, Hela Boulevard. You know, it's nice. We begin there until there. Oh, yeah. Yeah, let's go. Pamula doon. Mga kami. Market day here is a Friday day. Near in the boulevard of Pineda de Mar. Ganon. Yes, it's open. It's Friday. It's open. Because it's Friday, it's open. With this weather, right? With this weather, Scott, did you love it? Why are you not walking in your shoes? Are you in your slipper? I'm walking in my slipper with my fungi. Charot. Ang ganda, oh. The market. Hell to market day. Oh, yun ang market. Oh, ang dami mga baggers. Hello, hello. Hello ka din. Hello. Ito na ang market. Wow, market day.
Ja, moet nog bij haakjes hebben. Je hebt dus een minute aan.
€3 only. I love mama.
Oh.
Mama.
We can give it on Mother's Day.
Yeah, kopen.
Ja.
I cook already.
Ja, ik koop.
Keyrings, eh? Souvenir is €1. Souvenir item.
Mooi toch?
Pineda.
Nou, ik vind het wel goed. Die koelkast van ons is nog wel.
So Pineda. But
Maar €1 is een goed prijs.
Deze Pineda.
may mga hats, may mga pangbata, at may pang matanda. At may panlalaki, at may pambabae. Ganon. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now approaching the €5. Ba, not bad the pants. Oh. This one, oh, €5 only. Kijk. There is €8 in the Winkel.
Hier, try.
Yeah. So we will continue for approaching the one. Pantalone. With the jacket. Labubu. Labubu. This for the kids. For the €5. We're now approaching the €5 silk belt. Seat belt.
Nee, dat moet wel iets af, denk ik. Hè?
Ja, vlak voor dit.
Ja.
Until where?
Ja.
Cutting.
Ja.
Oh, they cut. Oh. You need to buy that
Ja.
because they cut it already.
Ja.
Probeer. Mano.
Y no ves que está su tío que lleva todo el invierno. A la playa le cuesta comprar o los cantas. Cuando calor. Ahora se hace fresquillo, pues más. Me cuesta porque con el pelo una semana más o cuando aprende más de frío, ¿sabes? Pero que es una vida. Lleva ya casi todo el invierno. Todo el frío, todo. Lo de verano lo cogí 5 bolsas para casa. Ahora. Mejor porque si lo liquidas. Que no ese tío y luego me hacen acá todo y para la temporada que viene empiezo con ella.
Ja, gaat nog op hoor.
He hecho un poquito más y ya lo
Wow. It's clar, finito.
¿Te puedo ayudar? ¿Tienes alguna? ¿Esta? ¿Esta?
A ver, a ver.
Is het nog te lang of zal het af, denk ik?
La villa muy,
No,
muy carbonel.
yeah. No, you put it here.
Así, sí.
The,
Ja.
¿Sí?
Dat is een beetje kleiner, denk ik. Nog iets eraf.
Sí, 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 sí.
10 centimeter of zo.
right.
Maybe a little smaller, is that okay?
How's the feeling? You have a new seat belt?
Yeah, it's nice.
Seat belt. That's a seat belt.
Yeah, I can see it.
Now approaching the panties area. Charot. 6 pares. Approaching the €1 Andes. Brief in the making.
He's turning around, coming back this way now.
Approaching the other area of the market. The bedsheet area. Ang dami mga dress. Scarf, panties, ever. Oh wow. What a big one. Sana all is now approaching the 5-3. 3 for €5. And this. Approaching the €5 brief.
Yes.
Okay.
Akala ko ano, ukay-ukay, hindi pala. Shoes. Now approaching this. I hope they have lemon, oh. Mm. Nice, yeah? Kijk, the cherry that I have in my... Ang lakas makamayaman nito, Day. Sa laging to, sa lago bang. Ito pa, oh. €10 lahat sila, Day. Manggaganda. Stainless. It's now approaching the silk belt. €10. Charot. €10 available siya. And this is 5. And you can get 2. It's now approaching. Oh wow, the hat skirt I like. We approaching the €1. Oh, even the blouse €1. Wow. Another approaching for the €1. Win the lottery. Is now approaching the Winkle. Sa prutas na tayo. This is a local product.
Yeah.
This for the clote. Miskin have client. This is oak.
Yeah, the steel.
Oh, this is oh. Oh, this is kite.
Yeah.
This is the one. Different sounds.
Big enough.
Yeah.
We have a big car now.
Yeah, they're approaching the prutas divide. La prutas at la gulay. La gulay, la prutas. In the market. Different kind of prutas. Yan, no? Para siyang ano, tawag dito, guyabano, atis. Probi, try.
¿Qué precio es?
Want die zijn groot, hoor.
¿Y a dónde está?
Dat is persik.
No español, inglés.
Inglés. Pues es que ese inglés también. Yo inglés también. Del corte, pero inglés del corte inglés. Este viene
What
con la
day is it?
rebaja.
Como English. This super boss. Yeah, this is onion already.
Ja,
Super paprika.
Inderdaad, ja.
And super this
Eggplant.
different color eggplant. This is lekker also.
Ja, het ziet er wel zinnig uit.
Ay, nalaglag. And super put tomato. My God. Here God. For the giant.
Echt mooi.
Tapos na tayo mag-market. Kaya, nakapag-shopping na kami ng jowa. May ticket na kami, mga kamime. 24 ang bili ko. May U-turn ticket. So, U-turn. May return. U-turn or return ticket. Going to Barcelona. Kaya, ang init, ang humid, ay. Ha? Ito naman yung kanilang waiting area. Sa kabila na beach. Pwede ka na mag-jump. Tuk! Ha?
Maybe we need to change the platform.
For? Why we need to change?
This one is going to Planet.
Ito yung train. Kagabi pa ganon. Ngayon naman pa ganito. Napaka-confusing ng train. Ay nako. Sa kabila tayo. Ayun ang jowa. Halika na. Talagang grabe ka. And welcome back to Barcelona. Nag-train lang kami. Rambla de Catalunya. Here. Here's not. This is the exit. Let's go outside. Hee! Oh ja, Casa de Bem. Oh ja. En kijk deze. Ginebra Hotel. Nice, welcome back. Dito ulit tayo. Barcelona. Picture agad ang jowa eh. Welcome back. We got fountain. Nice. This is Barcelona. Hi. How's the feeling you go back in Barcelona?
Ja, leuk. City vibe again.
With a city tour.
Oh, dat is Rambla.
What's that? Yeah, Ginebra. Ginebra Hotel. Ay, kijk. Again, after 2 years, 3 years. All the birds is there. Oh, I smell the chlorine. Tingnan nyo ang mga birds flying high. Oh, you know how I try. It's nice at Barcelona, but so busy, grabe.
Ja, iedereen wil graag op dinsdag komen.
As in so busy. That's why sometimes I don't want to go back because of so busy bee. Tingnan nyo to, grabe. Yung fountain natuyo na. Natuyo na ang fountain, day. Sa sobrang busy ng tao. Ooh, we will go other side. Let's go, dali! Banco de España. Why not to? Straight?
Ja. Try more.
Your favorite. Yeah, come now. Your favorite in China. Your favorite brand. Springfield. Ah, ang daming tao. Street in Barcelona. No. I will not go there. I will not go for shopping. Street in Barcelona. Yes! Diyan, oh. Yeah, that's the cathedral, right? I think we've been there inside. Inside, yeah? And then we lined already. I remember we lined over there. We line over there, and there's just a lot of line. Yes, I remember we line here. Or we're not just been here inside, we just Potomac, right? Oops, Basilica. Nandito tayo sa gutom na ako sa churros again. Churros. I'm addicted in churros. Now I'm addicted in churros. Yeah, Valor chocolate. Is your latte macchiato? This is so klein. But looks lekker. Yeah. Yeah. With a virgin extra oil. That's the best coffee that I try here.
Ja, van deze vakantie is gewoon de beste.
Valor. Malapit sa Basilica.
Hey, wat ben je aan het doen? Wat ben je aan het doen?
I wanna try this. Tuna.
Oh.
This for Yalga too. Because I have a churro. If we still want, we can still order.
What?
But they have oil. Extra virgin oil. I'm waiting for my churros. Grabe, pasal na ako, gutom na ako.
Ooh. Wow, oily.
And this is salt.
Oh ja, ga proeven. You gonna taste it. Hoe smaakt het?
I wanna taste it.
Real Spanish tostada.
Yeah, tostada is Spanish.
There you go.
Oh my God, nangangatal na ako sa buto.
Take care. Put the plate towards you. Ito na ulit ang aking churros with a chocolate. Dat is jouw kaas, hè?
Alam nyo na ang taste na yan. Pero tikman natin siya. Ang init. Grabe ang chocolate, oh. Very heat. Tikman natin siya, guys. Ang init lang. Grabe. Perfect. Yes, street in Barcelona, Barcelona street. May nagpo-photography, old photography here. Ayan pili na kayo mga kamimay. Sinong bet nyo dyan? Espanyol o kamot. Huling-huli natin ang pagkamot ni Kuya. Ito ay side ng Basilica. Meron nag-skateboard at may kumakanta. Ganda ng mga bahay. Pakaganda ng Barcelona. With the street, ang kanilang bus. Ang kanilang taxi. Oh, may mga building ang bahay, ang ganda. Yan ang jowa. Oh. Hi, jowa. With the street. You want a photo? I photo you?
I want a kiss.
Barcelona Street. Ang dami makikita. Patisserie. Yeah. This is more. At sa metro. Ganda ng bago, mukha ng bago ang bahay.
Je kunt er straks een metro worden.
Where we gonna go?
Daarin ga je straat.
Yeah, we can go there.
Ja, die staat in mooi.
Yeah, Dar Oak is more. Miskin they say we'll open here. Yeah, this is too much commercialized.
Ja, we kunnen daar gewoon naar links en dan lopen.
Yung mga mukha nila, ang gaganda. At ang gugwapo ng mga mukha, dahil grabe. Yeah. No, they have house here there.
No sabía, porque no sabía.
Nice. They live here.
Ja, ik denk er not allowed to live, but they're here.
Homeless. A lot. Other side of Barcelona, they have homeless, and that's the real one. They have homeless living in that area, and we see in our true eyes on the record. Nice one. Good news. Good news what I heard for you.
That's twee news.
A bus terminal. This is a bus. Ah, it looks like a tram. It's also a shopping area.
Ja, maar wel wat goed. Richting de...
Nina Quindoza Paras. Paris Hilton. Wow. Oh, that's also Basilica.
Dat is de basilica. De andere kant heb je er wel.
Heel gezellig. Sagarde. Basilica. Happy Stocks. Oh wow. How the ham. This is the famous ham. Oh wow.
The cured meat.
Yeah.
No, 5 maanden.
6 semanas. 6 mandan. Dami ng bakterya. Charot. Ito na, tutukan na tayo sa Basilica.
En toen is je op tegenwoordig dit art gallery. Oké.
Yeah, BCN style. Barcelona style. It's close up. Grabing street sa Barcelona.
Ja.
Napakaganda. Oh.
Maar het klopt dus wel, deze neighborhood is wel beter.
Yeah. Napakadami ding turista. Turista in the making. Kaya marami nagpuprotest dito mga kamimiki kasi nagbaban na sila ng turista. Grabe sa dami ng turista. Grabe. Wala pa tayo sa pinaka-center, ha? This the opening. This the other side again. Calorque. Doon pa daw sa kabila. Pagpasok. Mga bahay nila, oh, tingnan niyo. Oh, park. Oh. Catalonia. May bayad siya, 5 euro. Hanggang rooftop, 10 euro. Sa loob, may bayad. Ayan, oh. Huwag na tayong pumasok dahil hindi din naman tayo makapagdasal kapag may bayad. Charot. 5 euro. Hi, my model. My model. This is my model. You are my model. You are my celebrity. That's a Columbus, yeah? And this, tingnan nyo, oh, mga kamimay, oh. Diyan tayo galing kanina. Let's go! Under the bridge!
Let's go.
Oh, back! Si Kuya, oh, takbo-takbo. Ang turista. Bus tourist. We will go to the Columbus. That's a Columbus, D. Sa kabila nito, Marina Bay. Yeah, Marina. Mga ano yan, mga boat. Malapit sa Columbus. Harbor nila to, dahil harbor. Yes, Barcelona Harbor. Alam nyo na. Sorry, nagbusi na siya. Hindi ko alam na pit spot pala ito dahil. Hindi ganun sa Netherlands, walang ganon. Walang ganitong pit spot sa Netherlands, charot. Oh, you can rent dito. Oh. You can rent and you can ride. After you rent, you ride. Charot. Kami. Ang dami, oh, pak, nakahubad, oh. Hubad-hubad, oh, liligo sila dahil. Ambulansya, ambulansya. Yan yung Columbus. Grabe, ang daming tao. Oh, tapos dito tayo galing. Pabalik na tayo ng Winkle Centrum. Shopping area, yeah?
You wanna go to other neighborhood, but the metro?
Oh, we go to Metro now. Let's go to Metro, mga kamimay, ha? Hi, Scott. We are in the Metro. We are in the Metro now. Where are we gonna go? Metro. Yeah, where are we gonna go? Fontana, Fontana. Fontana di Fontana. Buhok ni kami may. Kaya let's go. Ang metro ng Barcelona. With my jowa. Galing kami sa, narito kami sa Fontana. Fontana? This is Fontana? Da. Empanada. I'm not hungry yet. Maybe later. Yeah, Empanada Club. Whip. Another place. Udon. Yan, no, tinan nyo. Ang mga bahay, oh. Ganda. The lantern. Yeah. Nice, yeah. Ooh. Yes, we will go to indoor market. Dito yan. Let's go. Where's the indoor market? D. Inside. Europa Moda Regals. Indoor market. Hindi na kami nagtagal at siesta time. Wala din naman sa loob. Lumabas agad kami. Mga kami. At wala sa loob day. At ang angot. Para lang Philippines ang amoy. Ganon. This is also nice place. We're in Gracia. Asan na ang jowa? Ayun ang jowa, ang aking model. Model of the year. That's a nice. This is a nice alley. Yeah, with the balcony.
Kijk naar die kleuren, joh. Wauw.
Okay. Last month's made empanada. Yung jowang nabili ng empanada. I'm tired. Kami may nabili na empanada. Oh, ito yung mga bahay. Nice. Ayan na ang jowa, may dalang empanada. May empanado. Ayan na. Ano kang tinitingnan niya mga kabimay? Ayan na, ayan na. Si Mr. Empanada. Try the empanade. Yes, snack muna at matagal pa ang ano, kahit alas 6 na ang aming dinner time. Pag hindi talaga ako nagluto, ang dinner time ay matagal dito sa Espanya, Italy, lahat. Ayan, shopping yun. Yeah. Yes, and we are waiting now to the tram. Dahil kami ay nahuli. Dahil nagbayad pa kami ng extra €1 para sa tram.
For cardboard card.
For the cardboard. And then easily to break. That cardboard. Slim. They can... The tourist. Yeah?
At least we have a rechargeable card now.
Cool. And then we can save that.
Met die mooie zelf.
Ito na yung tram. Parating na ang tram.
Zo'n beetje naar voren.
Ayan na ang tram. Hi, tram. Hi, Scott. Here. Ito yung kailangan namin i-keep. Dahil kung babalik kami dito, pwede kami mag-refill na lang kasi may bayad tong €1. So, we need to take care of this. Yeah? Alam nyo na. Ito yung number ko. Charot. Tapos, ang ating RAM, ang ating bintana ay may screen. Hindi siya makita masyado sa labas. Ayan o. Pag medyo malayo pala dapat. Para kita. At least meron naman tayong fa-viewing. Diba? May fa-viewing remarks tayo. Sa Barcelona. As in Barcelona. As in Barcelona. Charan. Where's the Sagrada? Ah, yeah, that's what I see. Daisy. This is where we've been. Hello to Barcelona. Wow, Barcelona.
Propera parada, Manta. Reserva el metro línea 2.
Another side of Barcelona. Yes. You opened before, I think. Scott. What's this one? This building. Oh, yeah, this glorious. This one I told you, this it look like in China. This building, yeah, like so high. Nice building. There is it. Ang taas niyan. As in. Ayan. Mirador. Ah, yan, Mirador. Universitaria. Diba? Nakita na natin ang Barcelona. Daming lalaki din ang mga building nila dahil. Para din Makati BGC. Para ka lang nasa Makati BGC. They have security here. Oh, seguridad. Sa loob ng tram.
Primera parada, Pedro Juan.